Hello everyone, welcome to today's podcast. I'm really excited to share with you all about how to start a profitable hot dog cart business. Let's start with the first page, which is the title page, How to Start a Profitable Hot Dog Cart Business. This is a topic that's been on my mind lately because I've seen so many people interested in mobile food businesses, especially hot dog carts. They seem simple, but there's actually a lot to know to make it work. Now, let's move to the second page, the table of contents. Here, we have 5 main sections: industry overview and market opportunity, step-by-step startup guide, cost and revenue analysis, compliance and risk management, and success stories and practical tips. These sections cover everything from understanding the market to actually running the business, so we'll go through each one in detail. First up, the third page, industry overview and market opportunity. Let's break this down. The business definition here is a mobile food service offering hot dogs and related snacks. That means you're not stuck in one place. You can move your cart around to find the best spots. The target customers are children, teenagers, fast food enthusiasts, office workers, and event attendees. Think about it. Kids love hot dogs at parks, office workers grab them for lunch, and events like festivals or sports games are perfect for quick, tasty snacks. The market size has steady demand in the quick service food segment, which makes sense because people are always looking for convenient, affordable meals. And the growth trend, more and more people prefer these kinds of options. They don't want to wait long, they don't want to spend a lot, and they want something that tastes good. So this is a great time to get into this business if you're interested. Next, the fourth page, step-by-step startup guide. Now, this page doesn't have all the details listed, but I can tell you that starting a hot dog cart business involves several key steps. First, you need to research your local market. What's the demand like? Are there already a lot of hot dog carts in your area? Then, you'll need to create a business plan, which includes things like your target customers, menu, pricing, and marketing strategy. After that, you'll need to get the necessary permits and licenses, which we'll talk about more later. Then, you'll need to buy or build your cart and get all the equipment, like a grill, a refrigerator, and serving supplies. Finally, you'll need to stock up on ingredients and find your first location to start selling. It sounds like a lot, but taking it step by step makes it manageable. Now, the fifth page, cost and revenue analysis. Let's look at the numbers here. The initial investment is between $5,000 and $20,000. That includes the cart itself, equipment, and initial inventory. So if you're on a budget, you might start with a used cart or a smaller setup, but if you have more to invest, you can get a nicer cart with better equipment. The monthly operating costs break down into ingredients, labor, permits, fees, and utilities (MISC). Ingredients are $1,500 to $3,000. This depends on how much you sell and the quality of your ingredients. Labor is $2,000 to $4,000. If you're running the cart yourself, you can save on labor, but if you hire someone, that's an extra cost. Permits and fees are $200 to $500, which is a necessary expense to stay legal. Utilities and MISC are $300 to $800. Things like propane for the grill, cleaning supplies, and maybe marketing materials. Now, the revenue potential is an average of $30,000 monthly sales, with a first-year projection of $360,000. That's pretty impressive, right? And the profit margin is 65 to 75% on food costs. So if your food costs are $2,000 a month, your profit from food could be $1,300 to $1,500 just from that. Of course, you have to subtract other costs like labor and permits, but even so, the profit potential is strong. Moving on to the sixth page, compliance and risk management. This is super important because you don't want to get in trouble with the law or have health issues. Licensing requirements include health department permits, food handler certification, and a business license. The health department permit ensures that your cart meets safety standards. The food handler certification means you know how to handle food safely, and the business license lets you operate legally in your area. Food safety regulations are also key. You need to control the temperature of your food, store ingredients properly, maintain hygiene standards, and pass regular inspections. If you don't follow these rules, you could get fined or even shut down. Then there's the SWOT analysis: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Strengths are low startup costs and mobility. You can move your cart to where the customers are. Weaknesses are weather dependency. If it's raining or snowing, people might not want to buy hot dogs and a limited menu. Opportunities include catering events, like weddings or corporate parties, and seasonal locations, like beach towns in the summer. Threats are competition, other food carts or restaurants, and regulatory changes, like new health laws that might affect your business. So it's important to be aware of these and plan accordingly. Now, the 7th page: success strategies and practical tips. Let's talk about how to make your hot dog cart stand out. Marketing is key: branded cart design, social media presence, and loyalty programs. A colorful, eye-catching cart will attract customers, and social media can help you let people know where you'll be each day. Loyalty programs, like a punch card where customers get a free hot dog after 10 purchases, can keep them coming back. Operational tips include quick service, people don't want to wait long, quality ingredients, clean presentation, and friendly staff. If your hot dogs taste good, look nice, and you're friendly, customers will remember you. Innovation ideas are unique condiments, maybe a special sauce or toppings that no one else has, and dietary options like vegan or gluten-free hot dogs. This can help you reach more customers who might not otherwise eat hot dogs. Best practices are regular customer feedback collection and menu refinement. Ask your customers what they like and don't like, and adjust your menu accordingly. Maybe they want more vegetarian options or a new type of snack to go with the hot dogs. Listening to your customers is one of the best ways to keep your business successful. Next, the 8th page: conclusion and next steps. Let's recap what we've learned. The low barrier to entry with strong profit potential is a big plus. You don't need a lot of money to start, and if you do it right, you can make good money. The key success factors are location selection and customer service. Choosing the right location, like a busy street, a park, or an event, can make all the difference. And providing great customer service will keep people coming back. The next steps are: conduct local market analysis, develop a detailed business plan, secure necessary funding, complete licensing requirements, and launch and evaluate performance. These steps will help you get your business off the ground and keep it running smoothly. So that's all for today's podcast on how to start a profitable hot dog cart business. I hope you found this information useful, and if you're thinking about starting your own cart, I wish you all the best. Remember, it takes hard work and dedication, but with the right plan, you can make it a success. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.